Hey, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt in the Storm Warning Center. Not a bad Saturday across the area. I was in Gardendale earlier, saw a few peaks of sunshine, but that was about it. Rain's on the way. Get ready. Late tonight, early tomorrow, a good soaking across the area. 1 to 2 inches of rain by Monday night for a good portion of the area. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Lots to talk about. I'm going to break down the timing for you. Look at this massive storm system to the west of us. You can see the swirl almost like a tropical system. You can see the storms breaking out across northern Texas. It has been a very stormy day. Look at all the lightning here. I want to show you this. This is Viper. You can see around Dallas, 64 degrees. That's a severe thunderstorm watch. Looks like, let me grab the radar screen here. Looks like a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings right there. And we see the black coloring there on radar. You see, I'm going to circle that. Anytime you see that, that is an indication of hailstones, and likely that's one of the major threats with that storm. But this is well west of us, back across Texas, and we've been watching this severe weather risk zone. I'm thinking that this is going to stay south of us tonight, down across South Alabama. This is kind of the orientation of the most unstable air. Looks like it's going to kind of build in south and east, more towards South Alabama. Tomorrow, a slight risk for severe weather is in place for this part of the state. And this is where most of the rainfall has been so far today, but let me tell you what's going to happen here tonight. All of this wet weather is going to start surging northward, and we're going to start seeing some heavier rainfall. And try to draw my arrow on here. We're going to start seeing some of this heavier rain right in here across southwestern parts of the area. So Utah, Livingston, Demopolis, places like that, a good soaking rain beginning around 9 o'clock, and this will continue overnight and into the morning hours for the entire area. This rain should reach places like Birmingham by midnight. You can see it's been cloudy, but in addition, some of that wet weather down into South Alabama. You can see our simulated radar shows this reaching Birmingham possibly as early as 10:30 tonight. And look at this, 2:30 in the morning. How about 4 tomorrow morning? Still raining, and this is showing maybe some thunder. I wouldn't be surprised if we heard some loud pops of thunder through the early morning, some flashes of lightning. But again, these storms should remain non-severe. They're 7 a.m., 8:30 tomorrow morning, and of course we'll be watching it closely for you through the overnight hours, but we anticipate most of that severe weather to be south of us. Now, watch what happens here. This is 11:30 tomorrow morning. You can see we start catching a break off to the west. That is because some dry air starts working into the area. From west to east, already seeing a bit of this dry air back in here. You can see it trying to wrap into Dallas, and that's probably another reason for some of those stronger thunderstorms. We're going to see some strong winds out of those storms. A lot of times when you see that mid-level dry air working into those storms, that can really enhance the straight-line winds. But again, for us, the severe threat remains off to the south. But what does this mean for Alabama? Basically, as this dry air wraps in, we may catch a bit of a break tomorrow afternoon. You can see how the model's picking up on this around 3 o'clock. So if you have big plans, there may be a few hours at least with rain-free conditions tomorrow afternoon. But tomorrow night, we're still dealing with a little bit of energy that's associated with this storm. The cold upper trough is some of the connecting energy that's going to wrap in behind this system. And you can see that's going to bring some additional showers, clouds, and falling temperatures into the 40s tomorrow night. 10 p.m. you see showers. Monday, 6 a.m., still looking at some showers in the area. And then into the night, Monday night, 7 p.m., still cloudy, maybe a few showers and sprinkles. So cold, rainy, and breezy, overcast. That's the story tomorrow night and into Monday. Now by Tuesday, fingers crossed, hopefully we'll get a few peaks of sun during the afternoon. I think we're going to have better luck with that on Wednesday. Just a look at temperatures at the time of this update. Lows in the 50s tonight, but the big story, the wet weather and thunder, rolls in here later tonight, and we should squeeze out a high of 70 tomorrow, but then it gets much colder tomorrow night. Rain likely tomorrow, especially early in the day. Next 3 days here, we're looking at highs in the 60s on Tuesday, but that sunshine's really going to help us out on Wednesday. If we stay cloudy on Tuesday, we may actually stay in the 50s all day long. But notice the overnight low temperatures. Hey, I don't see any freezing temperatures on that 7-day, so that certainly looks nice. And then the next greatest potential for falling rain after Monday and Tuesday, looks like by Saturday we're talking about another chance for showers. So you can see we got a lot to talk about for tonight and tomorrow, and of course at 9 and 10 o'clock tonight we get some fresh model data in to share with you, and plenty of radar updates. We'll have to watch, see how this all kind of materializes here over the next 12 hours, and we'll fine-tune that for you again tonight at 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So join us on Fox 6. If you're on Facebook, follow me there, Wes Wyatt Fox 6. and on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather. I'm meteorologist Wes Wyatt. I'll see you back here tonight at 9 o'clock on Fox 6.